To change wallpaper of a specific conversation on the Messages app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Samsung Messages app, tap the conversation of the desired contact you like to change its wallpaper, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap customize chat room. Here you can tap gallery icon to use a photo from your gallery app as the wallpaper, or you can select one of the color bubbles as the wallpaper. As the example, we will select this yellow color bubbles. To see the result, tap the back key twice. You can see that the selected color has been set as the wallpaper for the selected conversation. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.